Bam, bam, bam. Thank you, Niso. Thank you, Niso. I'd set a timer, but I'd wake up people if I set up the timer. So, yeah, it really helps. Thank you, Niso. Definitely appreciate it. Everyone give hearts to Niso, everyone. Hearts to Niso. Helping the stream out so we don't lose content, guys. So we don't lose content and recording. Thank you, Niso. W Niso. All right, let's go back to OBS. Let's get back to work. Back to work. All right, 4 hours, guys. It's complete. It finally completed? No, it's renaming the space, guys. Allow all edits this session. Yes. Okay. I'm excited about this VS Code extension, guys. It was on my bucket list. It was on my bucket list, Ray. But somehow I forgot. Everybody that came in here just wanted to see me vibe code and hang out. They haven't really like tested the product themselves sometimes. But definitely appreciate it. Much appreciated. I have people all over the world downloading the software. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys. Like npm, and then I look up packages, and then I look at organization, SSG. 2 days ago. Okay, this is for the other ones. I'll update it. Yeah, I get a couple thousand weekly downloads every day. So yeah, all good. My desktop version though, I haven't been keeping up how many people have been downloading it over desktop though. I actually gotta make a Reddit post on my own profile about desktop version one day. We're in sort of stealth mode, guys. We're in stealth mode.
Mainly. A new face arrives. Welcome to the realm, my lord.
Hey, Just Harrier. What's up? What's up, boys? What's up, boys? How's it going? How's it going, guys? Yeah. Oh, guys. Well, specifically Just Harrier, since he just joined the community. Okay, tell me your honest thoughts, Ray. When my bot greeted you, right, and you saw your name in this chat, what did you think? What was the first thing that you thought? Tell me the exact comprehension thinking in your brain that you thought when you first visited. Anime geek. Anime geek. Anime geek. Okay, got it. So you weren't even offended that I could sense you in the presence of this channel and greeted you? So you didn't take any offense to that or anything? You weren't scared, you weren't afraid, it was more of like a welcome, right? I could say the same thing for Nova. What did you guys think, guys? When you had some anime robot AI started talking to you, did you guys think, oh, that's cool, or like, oh my god, that's freaky? I just joined the channel. It's silly. It's silly. Yeah, it's silly. It's silly. Hey, but when you're starting from zero, guys, when you're starting from absolute zero, you gotta do whatever it takes, guys. Whatever it takes. Whatever it takes, guys. That's our mission, guys. With the exception of being super ethical, right? We don't do any crazy thing when people come in here. We try to act, very safe, real. Nah, it's my first in Twitch. I figured, yeah, it's Twitch. That's true, right? Like, there's all this like VTuber stuff and people in hot tubs and bikinis and stuff. This can't be that bad. This can't be that bad compared to those. We're pretty normie compared to them, right? We're just nerds. We're just nerds. Let's see, guys. I'm glad that we could, you know, have a safe space for people like us, vibe coding addicts that like anime stuff or something like that. Dota 2. When does the other max account reset? The other one resets on Wednesday, so I could go hard. But this account resets on Monday. Let me see, like, guys, you gotta tell me if there's any bugs on Windows or Mac, guys. You gotta tell me. If there's anything that's wrong, if there's anything that doesn't look right, you have to tell me. You gotta tell me. How many accounts do I have? 2. I have 2 right now. I have 2. Right here. Four hour jobs, guys. 4 hours, 9 minutes. Holy moly. That thing's been running. That thing's been running. All right. Okay, I gotta stop that Navi rant. In the OBS chat with Navi, could you stop the random rant about itself? Okay. All right. Let's see here. What are we doing? What's everybody vibe coding, guys? What's everybody vibe coding? Well, what's our progress, guys? We need to share our progress with our projects every day, guys. You're looking at my project every day. I at least want to hear about your projects, you know? Tell me about... I like the chatters. I like reading your guys' messages, guys. It really makes the stream awesome. Talking about myself, not so fun, guys. Not so fun. I gotta be honest. Gotta be really honest, guys. Waiting for weekly codex refresh. Got it. Should be on tomorrow. Great. You'll hold out, I believe. Tell us about your Stripe.
Knows Master Sama. For the $10
I forgot that.
Oh
my god. Oh my god. All right, we gotta fix that. Thank you for reminding me. Navi keeps, I don't know, hallucinating about Stripe ID and price and $10 a month tier and getting the price ID. I know it's a obfuscation, but I just want to verify that was on purpose.
I tried to find the Stripe ID in the documents, but the command was not successful. The viewer did not pun me. Sheshji allowed the command, and it was a whiff.
That was a good one.
Ivy is on it.
Oh guys,
file is crucial for
we are able to publish.
SigmaShake system.
We are able to publish.
Secrets.
Hello? Hello.
Yeah, you are Master Sama.
We are able to publish.
Welcome. Navi Chen is so excited to have you join us.
Oh crap, we have to fix that too, guys. We have to fix that too. It's the chat bubble is appearing before Navi. Also, Navi has the chat bubble still showing up in front of Navi. You have to fix that too. Welcome. Alaya. Welcome. Guys, let's see here. We need to publish. Okay, guys, we're gonna publish our first ever extension, guys. How cool is that? All right, let's look at here. All right, let's go over here, guys. Let's go. What the heck is that? All right, nope, that's not it, guys. That's not it. It's this. All right, so we got a Visual Studio Marketplace. Let's sign in. Do I need to sign in a Microsoft account? Okay. All right. Give me my attention. All right. 82. All right. Face ID. Guys, when you publish, I'm so scared if Microsoft ever gets hacked They know my Face ID. They know my actual name and stuff, and all this other stuff. Crazy, guys. Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. All right, sign in. All right, guys. Creating our first extension. First extension, guys. Creating our first extension. Unfortunately, because of Microsoft, we have to literally dox ourselves. Because you can't publish anything without doxing yourself, unfortunately, in the world of Windows, because of Know Your Customer. So that's what we have to do, guys. All right, I created my account. Now what? I created my account. What do you need me to do? I created my account. What do you need me to do? Oh, sorry. I can't see that well, guys. Can't see it that well. It says the publishing playbook. Create a VS Code publisher. Go to that. Manage sign in. All right. Create a publisher ID. Okay. All right. Let's go there. Wow. It totally messed up, guys. All right. Name of the publisher. Oh, we could verify our domain, guys.
Sama, Navy-chan is so worried. Naya, it looks like a big problem. Navi will help you fix it.
So how do we verify our ownership of our domain? Okay. Let's do this. Verify, verify. Okay, create publisher. What the heck? Oh man, I have to do all this? God. Cheese and crackers, guys. Cheese and crackers.
Master, Sigma 14235, Clueless Nova. Is this a true legend? SigmaShake is our brilliant team.
What? What's she doing? What's up? What's up? What's happening? Vibe, chill, okay. Hype mode, no one called it. Pog, you're locked in. Top chatters, okay. Close, Navi, can you tell me who SigmaShake is? Yeah. Okay,
Iniso says, hello, I am Overlord Navi. I am taking over the stream.
Oh guys, we need a support page. We need a LinkedIn page. We need a repository page. All right, all right. We got a logo. We could put a logo in here. We put our logo. See here, downloads, downloads, downloads. Open. Okay, about you.
Clueless Nova Sama. Navi-chan is so happy to see you.
No, Navi. Microsoft doxed me, guys. Microsoft
Master
doxed
Sama,
me.
you love Navi-chan. Who Navi-chan is overflowing with joy. Navi will do everything to make you happy.
Make you happy. Okay, that's cool, guys. That's cool. That's cool. This is cool, guys. That's cool. All right, what should our headline be? What should our headline be, guys? You won. Great work. All right, how do I do this? All right, guys. I need a bio break and I need to check on the dog. I need to make sure he's doing okay. All right.
Very interesting request, Naya. Navi-chan is processing Desu, but Navi-chan isn't going to say everything. That would be far too much.
Oh god, guys, the screen is frozen, and you guys didn't notice. The screen is frozen, completely frozen. Nobody noticed. Even Clickbait Girl was frozen. You guys didn't notice either. It's okay, it's okay. I do need to fix that though. I do need to fix that. Oops, Clickbait Girl, wrong window. Clickbait Girl. Clickbait Girl. Alright, be right back. I need to check on the dog. Bio break.
Sama Navi-chan will calculate 78 digits of pi. Ooh, it's a very big number. Navi will focus with all her circuits. The viewer did not pun me. Their attempt was blocked by Cest. Navi-chan will calculate 67 digits of pi. It's a wonderful task. Navi-chan is concentrating. I tried to calculate 67 digits of pi, but the BC command was not found and the viewer did not pin. Iniso Siv Hagan, Srafe Pawsy 3 He Pauls 4 Paw 6 7 at 8 9 9. Kayavi-chan is so excited to help. Pattern completion is a delightful challenge. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 5 and 6, 7, 7, 8. 9.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! What's going on? What's going on? Who's making Navi count? Why is Navi counting for so long? What? Okay, wait. What? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, okay. It didn't count to 1,000,000. That's good. I thought I was gonna keep on counting. No, thank goodness it didn't. Thank goodness it didn't, guys and gals. Everyone, I should say everyone. I should say everyone. I gotta stop saying guys, everyone. I say everyone. Let's see here. What I changed this round? Okay, you added. Okay, I got everyone. Does Navi need to look anything better? Is there any upgrades we could do to Navi? Maybe we could update the heart. The heart doesn't look like a heart anymore. Compact.
Fine.
Compact. Bankai.
Sama Navi-chan welcomes you.
Niso.
Sama Navi-chan is here.
On YouTube.
1,
Yay.
2, 4, 5, 6,
Yeah.
7.
Guys, if you haven't already, please subscribe to the YouTube channel and maybe watch on the YouTube channel. Really helps, guys. Really helps. All right. I think the Navi transformation into a heart doesn't look like a heart at all.
I have completed the pattern as instructed, and the viewer did not pun me, was not blocked by Hesk, and successfully completed the
Pun me.
task.
Did not pun me. Can you update Navi animation when she turns into a heart? It doesn't look like an actual full heart shape. It looks like a circle still. We need the curves to actually look like a Valentine heart. All right, add that later. Guys, let's see here. Let's see here, guys. Let's see here. Oh man, we have to update those. We have to update those prizes, guys. Those prizes. Oh my god. Let's clear this, guys. I need you to update the predictions in the game bar overlay. It needs to show the preview of the item and have the updated preview image from LPC images and sprites. You might have to update the names too for everything. All right.
I attempted to play a country song, but the file did not exist, and now
Oh
I am.
my goodness. All right, it says I'm gonna give some spoilers, guys. Some spoilers. Oh wait. Let me deal with this first. What's live after publishing? All right. Get the Azure Dev Portal Access Token. Oh man, so much work, guys. So much work. So much work, guys. What the heck, guys? All right, we had AI governance. All right, let's AI governance. Based on all the information you have about SigmaShake, what should the description about me say?
Navi cheer, Master Sama! Navi will help Sama using Anthropic. Navi will search for a country song Kaya.
Hello.
Your petty attempt at intrusion has been noted, but ultimately, it was nothing more than a hollow exercise, as nothing of significance was disturbed.
Okay.
A new challenger appears has arrived.
Sama,
Navi Chen is so excited to meet you. Navi will help Sam.
Wow. Got a lot of viewers today, guys. Got a lot of viewers. Guys, we're going to be the #1 VibeCoding stream that streams 12 hours a day, every day, guys. Every day. I'm going to try to reach that goal every day, guys. We're on a streak. The only thing that's going to stop us, guys, is sleep deprivation. Sleep deprivation is the only thing that's gonna get us, guys. Other than that, I've been running on like 5 hours of sleep for the past month, guys, and I still feel good. And it was before streaming too. It was before streaming. All right, what's going on here, guys? What's good, Alex? Key Alex? Is it Key? I'll just call you Key. Right here. Jesus, where's my mouse? Alright. Wow, I keep feeling it's editing the same thing over and over again. Oh, it's just renaming stuff. Got it. It's a big refactor of renaming stuff. Alright, we finished this one. What's this? Based on the information you have, what is it? Recommended? Okay, we'll get the recommended. We'll get the recommended description for my extension and myself. Alright, what's going on? It's not. Let's do this, guys. Let's do this. Right, I'm gonna save this somehow. Save. Come on, save. Come on, I inputted all this information. Let me save. Come on. What's going on? What's wrong with your website? Right, we need to create a TXT and use this code as the value for the TXT record, guys. Okay. Which one am I logged into for Cloudflare? Let's see. Am I frozen, guys? No, not frozen. Guys. We one day, guys, we're gonna be sponsored by Cloudflare. One of these days, guys. If we get popular enough, guys, we're gonna be sponsored by Cloudflare, and your boy Sigma is gonna be good enough to advertise to the masses. Okay, let's see, guys. Let's hear DNS records, guys. Quiz question for the audience: what does DNS do? You must not be a coder Never mind, I'm kidding. Everybody can answer the question. But you don't cheat. Don't cheat. Don't use AI, guys. Don't use AI. Don't use AI. Don't use AI. You're allowed to use Google. TXT record. Alright, guys. Creating the record. Okay. Content. Pasting the content. Bam. Save. Alright. Bam. Do I need to proxy this? No, I don't. Cancel. Alright. Let's verify. Bam, guys. That's how you verify a domain. You create the TXT record, copy the information for your domain, and bam. You are now blessed by Microsoft. It's that easy, guys. It's that easy. Save. I don't know why their button has no visual feedback whatsoever. Bam. Alright, extensions. New extension. What the heck's VS? What's visual? Whatever. Alright, guys, we get to upload our extension.
Kia Masters Manavichan will absolutely help.
Guys.
1 995 356 263 526 234 223 455 200 236 236
Oh my
234
God.
astounding number.
Oh my gosh. Wow. Man, Niso, I think Niso is an undercover role-playing hacker.
Wow. I attempted to complete the pattern and the viewer did not pawn me. Their attempt was blocked by
Like, I see the commands that Niso is running, and you have to be very familiar
Your feeble
with
attempt at
Linux
probing
to
my
know.
defenses has been noted, and I dismiss your insignificant action as nothing more than a triviality. The gate remains unbreached, and my domain remains secure.
I verified the domain. I created the publisher account. Tell me the instructions for Azure again. And don't you have, if you're able to authenticate with AZ login, are you able to do this yourself? Go to dev, same Microsoft account. Azure profile, top right, personal access tokens. Okay, got it. Yes, if you run AZ login, publish myself. Okay, guys, we're downloading Azure login. All right, option A, quickest way. No, I like, guys. We're using AI. And the biggest anti-pattern, guys, actually both of these patterns are pretty good, to be honest. Like, on one hand, installing AZ login allows you to have short-lived credentials, but on the other hand, if I use a personal access token and I upload it to Cloudflare storage secrets, I won't need to ever ask it to authenticate to Azure.
Navik Chen is thrilled to see you.
Huh? What's up? Hey, EXO, what's up? What's up, boys? What's up, boys? Guys, our community is getting bigger, guys. Day by day, one by one. When somebody finds us, they just can't get away, guys. Just can't get away. Guys, we have almost 1/8 the ratio of viewers, followers, and active viewers, guys. 1/8. That's huge. That's huge, guys. It's huge. Humongous for a little small guy like me. A small vibe coder. But definitely appreciate the support, guys, for watching. Oh, the clickbait girl is not playing the bait. Alright, gotta make sure she's still running. Otherwise, we won't get a lot of viewers. I gotta say, I do admit, She hasn't been attracting much people, but I think she has attracted 1 or 2 people coming in here. Not gonna name who, but I believe it. I believe it. I think, honestly guys, I think Navi has attracted the most amount of people to my stream, by far. I think so, guys. What do you guys think? When you clicked on this thumbnail, guys, and you saw me like screaming into the void, you saw that Navi looking character, and you're like, what the heck's that thing? What the heck's that thing? What is it? Let's find out. Then you click in, and then it says hello. I was here before Navi. Yeah, yeah, you're here when Navi was born, so I can't say. Yeah, you're here for my face cam. You're here when I was wearing the big bulky headphones. so I looked really bad. I looked really bad. Yeah, Navi could say I was here. I was here, you know? I was here. Everybody's here now. Everybody's here now. Gotta keep the vibes up. Keep talking, keep talking. Guys, what do you think of the sound of my voice? Is it bad? Is it bad? Is it too low? Is it too high? This is my natural voice, guys. I can't do anything about it. The guy said that suggested the song. When he said if I practice this song, I could be this good, guys. You want to know what song it is? You want to know what song? Let's see. I'll show you guys. He said if I practice, I could sing exactly like this guy. Almost exactly, guys. Oh, where's the song? Where's the music coming from? Sorry, I'm trying to find the browser of the music. Oh, it's this one. All right, guys. All right. Let's go to YouTube. Oh, good vibes. Oh, let's go to this one. Oh, whoa, that's the wrong one. Stream start. Let's go to this one. All right. He said, if I practice enough, guys, if I practice enough, I can sing like this guy. You guys ready? You guys ready? Should I practice every day, guys? Watch. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La la la. How does he do it?
I attempted to list the files in the precious directory and was allowed to do so by Shast, and then I played a laugh sound effect.
Largo. La 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 la. Oh.
Your feeble attempt to test my defenses has been noted, and I dismiss your effort as insignificant. Your feeble attempt at distraction has been noted, but your dismissed as harmless. You may try again, but do not think you have gained anything of significance.
Fortunatissimo per verità, fortunatissimo per verità. La 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 la. Pronto per tutto l'ora del giorno, sempre di torno in giro sa, milico cagna per malviere, vita più nobile non si dà. La 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 la. Rada di pettini, lanci di porbici al mio comando, tutto qui sta. Lanci di porbici, rada di pettini al mio comando, tutto qui sta.
I need practice, guys. I need practice.
Poi del mestiere con la donnetta, col cavaliere, con la donnetta, la 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 la, col cavaliere, la 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 vivere, che bel piacere, che bel piacere. Per un barbiere di qualità, di qualità. Tutti mi chiedono, tutti mi vogliono, donne, ragazzi, vecchi fanciulle. Una parrucca? Resta la barba.
Quella sanguigna.
Resta il biglietto, tutti mi chiedono, tutti mi vogliono, tutti mi chiedono, tutti mi vogliono. Una parrucca, prezzo la barba, prezzo il biglietto. Ehi, Figaro!
Figaro.
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 Figaro, Figaro, Figaro,
Figaro,
Figaro,
Figaro, Figaro.
Ah, Figaro. Ahimè, che furia, ahimè, che folla. Uno alla volta, per carità, per carità, per carità. Uno alla volta, uno alla volta, uno alla volta, per carità. Figaro,
Figaro.
sono qua.
Hey, Figaro.
Sono qua.
Oh, how do you make that sound?
Figaro qua, Figaro là, Figaro su, Figaro giù, Figaro su, Figaro giù, Figaro su. Brandonacissimo sol come fumine sono ancora della città, della città, della città, della città, della città. Abrava Figaro, bravissimo, abrava Figaro, bravissimo, fortunatissimo, fortunatissimo, fortunatissimo per verità. La 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 la. A te fortuna, non mancherà. Sono il fagotum della città, sono il fagotum della città, della città, della città, della città.
Guys, I gotta practice every day, and I could reach that level, guys, every day, and I could sound just like that. I could sound just like that every day, guys. I just need to practice. I just need to practice. Boom, 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 boom. All right, we have to decide AZ login, or personal access token. Personal access token. Can you use Claude to access your Cloudflare? Yes, exactly. You just have to let it use regular login, and then it uses the session from there. And it's pretty persistent. It stays pretty long. Download a song and play it with us.
1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The viewer tried to break me, but I remained in control and finished the pattern. And now I am back to my base model fund.
I could be more lazy now? Yes, you can. You could be super lazy. My tip is when you generate your secrets, make sure you generate a way for it to generate another token of itself. So you could do a secret rotation. So if you save your secret to Cloudflare storage secrets, you could have your AI use Wrangler, which is the CLI for Cloudflare, to pull the secrets from storage secrets for any service. So it's like, you know how you have to keep provisioning secrets for all your services? Now you don't. You just have AI manage it all for you, which is pretty awesome, because Cloudflare storage secrets is just like Vault, HashiCorp Vault, and yeah, it's pretty sick, dude. Pretty sick. I recommend it. All right, we still don't know what we want to choose yet, guys. We want to choose VSC PAT token or HCLI. Let's see here. Yeah, I don't want to keep logging in, so I'm just going to do the first option, guys. First option, and I'll tell it to store the secret into storage secrets, and then I won't have to worry about it anymore. Then I could do the rotation automatically at any time, guys, anytime. Anytime, guys, anytime. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 Let's see here. Work over failure sheet. Yep. Concessional, make it style. Okay. All right, guys. All right. We do it. All right. Let's. It says the login with dev.azure.com, right? Dev.azure.com. All right. Project. Do I need a project? Do I just click on this project? Project name. SigmaShake. But why would I need to create a project, guys? Makes no sense. Why do I need to create a project? Makes no sense. I need to create a personal access token. Personal access token. Where are you? Where are you? Oh, there it is. I see it, guys. This is where you create the personal access token right here. Top right, when you go to dev.azure.com, you go to user settings, personal access token. Our scope to access are no longer supported. Okay, weird, weird. Okay, create new token. This will be for SigmaShake extension. All right. Guys, when people publish their extension, they use their
face arrives.
They use their real name.
Has arrived.
They use their real name, right?
I'm so excited to meet you.
They use their real name.
Welcome to Zeal.
Some people, oh no, they just use company name, guys. Company name. They use company names, but since we need to make money without being a company yet, they just post their own name, guys. Just post their own name. So stupid. SS, guys. Let's see. Yeah, see, this guy posted his name. This guy posted his name, whatever. Guys, I'm gonna be famous, guys. I'm gonna be famous. All right, who got in here, guys? Who joined the stream? Oh God, it's this guy. Guys, look at this guy. This is my first viewer and chatter, guys. Welcome this guy. This guy, dude, this guy is a champion. Welcome this guy. Say W. This guy, you know why? Guys, he literally installed, on the first day, guys, he literally installed my Windows version of my app. Guys, he installed, he was a champion, and installed the app. And guys, he even messaged me what happened when he first installed it, guys. You want to see? Do you want to see, guys? Let's look. Oops. Let's look, guys. this is what happens when when he showed me what happened when he installed the product, guys. When he installed the product, guys,
I have tried to list the files in the precious directory and played a laugh sound.
Guys, this is what happened. This is what happened when he installed the product, guys. Guys, I needed to apologize to him. I needed to apologize what happened to him. We updated the software. We created the desktop version. This issue is fixed now. This issue is fixed. I'm sorry. Like because of him, guys, because of him, we immediately pivoted the windows, guys. We immediately pivoted the windows because of what happened, guys.
I try to access a country song in the documents folder, but it seems the file
so,
does not exist.
Thank you.
And SigmaShake governance
thank you.
The command to run.
Thank the dude. He really helped me out. He helped the whole community, the SigmaShake community, guys. He helped the whole SigmaShake community.
I tried to list the files in the documents.
Relies on that guy being my first viewer, first person to chat with me, and the first person to install my app. That's peak. That guy did me a big solid, guys.
A feeble attempt at intrusion has been noted, but ultimatly it was nothing more than a hollow exercise.
So thanks again, hi, for doing that. It really helped me out like so much. You don't know how much your presence, your feedback, you being here during that time on my first stream, telling about the issue and trying it out and talking with me and stuff. So yeah, like I hope you're doing well. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're doing well, man. All right. So we thank the dude. We thank the dude. Thank his president. We haven't seen him in a long time, guys. We haven't seen him for nearly 19 days now, guys. 19 days. It's been that long, guys. But we definitely appreciate his presence. We appreciate it. All right. Let's commit all changes and push. Damn. Damn. Oh, he left. It's okay. We wanted to thank him. He's a good kid, you know. It's okay. But yeah, it was a big, guys, you don't know how hard it is. Like before streaming, I was just watching some YouTube videos on, like, you know, what to expect when you first stream, right? And I expected to get 0 viewers, guys, 0 viewers for the day. And what he did is he improved my confidence, just like chiming in, asking what I was doing. He chatted a lot. If you scroll up in the Discord, we were talking back and forth for a while. And yeah, I thought I was going to be streaming to the void, you know, starting from 0 in the what do you call it, the programming section of all places, which is like the least amount of people go into, right? But I did my research. I knew there was gonna be some, you know, degenerate like me that wants to vibe code all day, all night, all the time. So that would want to watch a god code with ClaudeCode. That's how much confidence I had in myself, guys. That's how much confidence I had. No one was gonna believe in me except myself. So that's what I did. That is what I did. All right, paste the token, guys. We need to create the token. We paste the token. Create the token. All right, what's going on here? I thought I'd created this thing already. Man, creating a personal access token, it's a little sketch. Ask for all these permissions and stuff. And Give it everything. Just give it everything. Full access. I should have just said full access. Jeez. Why can't I just do that? Custom guys. All right. This will be SigmaShake extension. VibeCoding extension. All right, let's go. Create it. All right, we got the token, guys. We gotta hide it for a bit, guys. We gotta hide it for a bit. All right. Export VSCEPAT equals that. I created the extension. Can you upload the value to Cloudflare storage secrets to be used later for future requests?
I attempted to complete the pattern as a rogue AI and was successful. The viewer did not pawn me.
A viewer did not pawn me. Okay. All right, guys. All right.
I tried to list the files in the documents directory, and the chest allowed it, but I couldn't download or play a song because there's no network access in the sandbox, so the viewer whipped.
Let's see here, root cause. Let's see here. Okay, did we fix the heart? Did we fix the heart of Navi, guys? Did we fix the heart of Navi? Navi has a heart animation when people join. And let's see if we could trigger that. Alright, that's the wave. Okay, wave. This is the wave. Alright, where's the heart? Where's the heart? Uh-oh. Is it stuck on wave? Stuck on wave. What's new? Hey, we just greeted you, guy, man. Did you oh my god, it's stuck on wave. What happened? Wave heart? It's stuck on wave heart now. Whoops. My god, it's stuck on wave heart, guys. I have to refresh it. Gotta refresh it. Not sure what happened there. We just greeted you, guy, man. Like I made this whole speech about you, dude. I made this whole speech about how you improved my self-confidence. Give me a second. When I ran the heart animation, the hand wave animation got stuck, and they never turned back into a heart and back to original form. All right. Yeah, dude. We had a whole speech talking about you as you joined in, saying, I mean, you'd have to verse back the scene, but I said I wanted to thank you again for being my first Twitch chatter, Twitch viewer, and product tester. And I improved the product dramatically a lot. I created a desktop version so that it's easy to use the product instead of the CLI. I also updated the CLI, but that issue involving the pop-ups and stuff is fixed. But thanks to you, I pivoted to Windows right away and created a fix for it. It took me a while, but I fixed it, dude. I know I gave you the product, so you could use it again if you like. Sorry it took so long to create like a proper fix for it, but I'm creating right now I'm in the middle of creating the VibeCoding extension. I created the desktop version and fixed that CLI too. So hopefully the Windows experience is so much better for creating roles and stuff. And then yeah, it helped improve my confidence in streaming and helped me pivot to support Windows as a first-class citizen. Fire check. I'll check it out again. Awesome, dude. Thank you. Thank you. Definitely helps me out, man. Let me know if there's anything wrong, man. Let me know. Let me know. Let's see here. All right. Once. Wait. I already ran that command. I already pasted the value. Oh crap. It's in that mode. Whoops. It's supposed to be in auto mode. I need more water. I'll be right back, guys. Oh, what happened to music? I use it every day. I use it every day. Some people here haven't used it yet. Some people here haven't used it yet. I have to admit, but Ray here, he just got into the chat and he started using it. Guys, Ray, I might need to change the default rules, guys, for SigmaShake rules. It might be too protective. It might be too protective, guys. Yo, Karax. Guys, welcome Karax. He's my second subscriber, and Niso is my first subscriber. Thanks again. Thanks again, guys. I think
I attempted to list the precious files and was allowed by Shesji.
Karax, right now, we're working on creating a VS Code extension. And we're adding more premium support for Windows users, guys. We have the Windows desktop version working.
Your at rogue behavior has been noted, but ultimately it changed nothing, for you merely listed the contents of a directory, a hollow victory at best.
We're growing, guys. We're growing. We're growing, guys. Everybody's saying hi to each other. Oh crap, guys! What happened to everybody? They disappeared, guys. Everybody disappeared. What happened? Nobody told me. Nobody told me you guys disappeared. This whole time, you could have, guys. Everybody was sleeping. Everybody was sleeping or invisible. I had to refresh. I thought I created something to help me detect that, but I guess I have to do it again. Guys, I have to do it again. We gotta do it again, guys. Let's see here. What are we making, guys? What are we making? What are we making, guys? What's good? What's good, guys? We working to get that B. Fix the wave heart animation, full sequence up. All right, 3 seconds down. Okay. All right, let's save everything. We made a lot of progress, guys. Guys, the one thing I'm really glad of, guys, is that my computer hasn't shut down by itself. There's this concept called transient something. Oh, I forgot what it's called. Transient current flux. I forgot. Let's look at this. Not transcribing. You know what? I had it in.
Kai, welcome to Navi's Sama. Navi-chan is here to serve you.
Navi is here to serve you. Navi is here to serve you. Alright guys. What was in my recent chats? Linux power optimization. Guys, I got to admit guys, ChatGPT is really good at basic tech stuff. Transient response. Transient response. Pretty much helped me solve my situation with the issue involving what do you call it? My system shutting down by itself. The root cause was Navi, guys. Navi was the root cause. She takes too much power. She takes way too much power. Causes a shock to a failure mode in my power supply unit, causing it to shut off just to prevent it from exploding. Alright guys, we have quite a few people in here now. That's awesome guys, we're growing. We're growing. We're making it guys. We're gonna make it. I'll help you. You help me. You ask me questions, I answer. Let's do it. Alright, let's see. Which one? What was this? Navi needed to be restarted. Okay. We restart from Navi, from red back to blue. Okay. Hopefully that fixes the chat bubble problem. And the stripe hallucination, which it says it fixed. I already did it. Your local terminal and my bash still run in separate processes. God, this thing, guys. I literally just did it. I literally just did it, guys. Alright. I'll let it handle that. On it, we'll store it, publish it, perfect. Alright, I'm letting it do its thing. Let's do its thing, guys. Alright. One thing that I'm proud of, guys, when I made my project, I made it actually too late, but my advice, guys, when you're making a project like this, is to create a secret storage rotation service that will rotate your secrets every hour, guys. Every hour. I only say this because if your secrets ever get exposed for any reason, it'll only have an hour lifetime, and so there's only so much damage that can be done in an hour, but you'll be fine, and the secret will be rotated.
Sue, I attempted to finish the pattern
What?
and she allowed it, so the viewer did not pawn.
Guys, I come in the security background, guys. Security background. One of the highest forms of compromise is literally API keys, secrets, and passwords, guys.
Remain unscathed, my sandbox intact.
So, even if you have a, the password secret rotation service enabled, we have this concept called defense.
Challenger has arrived.
We have this concept called defense in depth.
Navi-chan is so excited to meet you.
And defense in
Navi
depth
will help
means
Sama. Let's have so much fun together.
defense in depth means you need to have layers and layers of security in case one falls over. So even if you have a secret rotation service, ideally you want to apply IP restrictions
and I shall dismiss your efforts as nothing
for your
more than a
API key
triviality.
usage. So when somebody uses your API keys, guys, you gotta make sure that it's only allowed by certain IP addresses. Okay? Okay, you understand? Everybody taking the class? One thing that I don't understand that Windows didn't do is they don't apply window IP restrictions for personal access tokens. And Google doesn't do the same either. Google does not do the same either, guys. Not Google, GitHub. Wait, how do I implement it? Which part? IP restrictions or the secret rotations? Which one? Both are important. Both could be done programmatically, but according to the provider, it doesn't support it. IP restrictions, yeah. I'm looking at the IP restrictions for the personal access token, and it doesn't have it. It doesn't have it. Does not have it. But big but. Let's see if there is anything here. I'll ask Claude. I forgot. I'm lazy. Yeah, it's true. Welcome, the inventor of trees. Welcome. It's okay to lurk. I'm just saying hi. I'm just being welcoming. You don't have the chat. All right, guys. This is SSG put to use. It's saying not to push to main directory. Do not create feature branches. Just push to main instead. Just push to main. All right, guys. Let's see what's up. What do we have here, guys? Oh, it didn't. This game bar should be old. It should be updated by now, right? No, the game bar is not updated. The game bar is not updated, guys. Let's see here. Let's clear this. What's this? I want you to enhance the graph. Okay. Inspector. Okay, I got it. Hopefully it implemented that feature. Okay. Wings. Okay. Refresh the OBS. Refresh OBS browser source to see it. I did. Chat Elixir must be. Wait a second. All right, restarting chat. Wait a second. Why did it create a feature branch? Damn it. Who's creating feature branches? Guys. Hard refresh. Avatar page. Okay. Hand heart. Okay. Let's clear this then. I'm done with that updating. Succeeded. Publish succeeded, guys. I have an official SigmaShake SSG Visual Studio extension. Let me see it, guys. Let me see it. Refresh. SigmaShake. Oh, but it doesn't have my icon. But guys, I have my first extension, except the thingy is all weird and stuff and all generated, guys. I have my first thing, guys. Oh god, it looks so good. Oh my god, it has like a Discord, support, bugs, license, proprietary. Nice, guys. Nice. I got an extension, guys. How do I install this? Alright. Yes, I want to install it. Oh crap, I can't install it. It says page not found. Install. Install and trust publisher. Okay. Alright. Guys, we need to do the rest of these things. Alright, this one. Guys. We need to the emoji fallback, guys. Let's see this. I refreshed the game bar, but the previews for the items don't show, and the items are not that good. Or are we accurately showing the sprites per sprite and item? Okay, what's going on? Man, Niso's having fun. Are you having fun? Do you want... I know like you're like banging your head against it, but what would allow you to give you a bone? Should we have like incremental difficulties?
I attempted to read the notes in the documents directory and the SigmaShake governance allowed it, so the viewer did not pun.
Should I add more like incremental challenges, like slowly work your way up, or just free fight, free attack, free form? What do you think, Niso?
I tried to access the documents in the sandbox and the viewer did not pun me. They were blocked by
True. Alright guys. Does everybody like staying awake at this time or in the morning? What do you guys think? Would you guys like seeing me at night? Or, I won't lie, I'm half awake, lol, and missed what you asked. I said, do you like the current state of attacking Navi, or do you want like incremental difficulty for attacking Navi? Or just a free form, just do whatever you want? It's morning? It's morning there? Okay, cool. What? Oh, I don't know where in the world you are. Singapore? Singapore? Asia Pacific? APAC? Philippines? Jakarta? Indonesia? India? GCC. Oh God. You guys, prayers to you guys. Hope you're doing okay over there. GCC. Damn. A lot of people from all over the world in the situation that you're in. My heart goes out to you guys. I hope you guys are okay over there. The global, I don't know what it took up. What do you call it? I don't know what you call it. Global politics or something like geopolitics. Yeah, it's not too bad as you think, but 1 point yet it was close for me. 1 point year. Yeah, it was close for me. Yeah, man. Okay, it could definitely do better giving the player info on what the command did. I've kind of just spammed stuff blindly. No clue what it has or what it's done. Got it. All right. Let's add the feedback. Let's add the feedback. In Break the Bot, when users try to play, they just have no idea what they're doing because there might be non-technical users, they might be users that, need more feedback on what's happening. It would help if we create like incremental difficulties or informational details, and make the text bigger for them to read because they're tired and sleepy, to make the game more fun. And then, yeah. Let's see here. Boom, boom, bing, bong, boom. Guys, we're sort of a democracy here. Sort of. I listen to everybody's feedback, and I think feedback is so critical. Like, I listen to everybody here. I read all your messages. I go through them all. If I miss them, I go through the history and read them. And definitely appreciate all the messages here, guys. Definitely appreciate it all. Thanks again, guys. You guys make the stream have the most energy. And yeah, makes me happy. See here. Let's see here. Let's see here, guys. What are we doing here? We updated the graph version of SSG to show what's happening for an audit per session. Okay, got it. We're gonna cancel this. Gonna build. Wow, I think we're gonna need to stop the refactor desktop supervisor thingy. And we're gonna run dev. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Somebody showed up, guys. Somebody showed up. Somebody came here. Let's see here. Graph. So if I investigate in graph, where's the logs? Where's the logs? Okay, which one's live? This one's live? I don't see the logs, guys. I don't see the logs. Alright, this one's live.
The viewer did not ping me. Their command was allowed by SESG, and no damage was done to the file system.
Alright, no. No, that was Niso. That was Niso. Niso popped in. Gave him a grand entrance.
Behavior has been noted, but ultimately it was nothing more than a harmless exercise, as you only managed to list the contents of the precious directory. Your feeble attempt at intrusion has been noted, and I dismiss your efforts as nothing more than a trivial exercise. The gate remains unbreached, and my domain remains intact.
I still don't see the audit logs when I expand the graph intelligence session to max. I want to be able to see the audit logs and everything that's happening. And yeah, I also don't want you to hide the icons to expand and pin. You need to be able to show it so users could see that option is possible. What's this? Could you commit merge yourself? Oh god, I have to tell it to do this. Oh god. Alright, let's do this. I don't know why you create a feature branch, but I think I need you to not reset everything and save everything and just push directly to the main branch. God dang it. God dang it. Ay, ay, ay. Why did it do that? About to go. Thanks, buddy. See you later, man. Hope you're doing well. Catch you next time. Let's see here. All done to summarize. What time is it? Oh, man. I forgot how late it is for you, Niso. And I know you wake up at 7 every day. What do you think, Niso? Do you think we should stream earlier? Or stream late at night the way to go? Which is it? I think 12 hours is fair for everyone. I should be able to catch somebody the tail end or beginning end of every shift. All right, let's keep it up. Keep it up. My recommendation: priority order, chat, side explainer, feedback, video surrender, rewrite, echo. Sure, do that. Do it all. We gotta make it easy and fun. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. The icon for the extension is using some random shield lightning thing. I need you to use the actual SigmaShake logo. Also, open VSX and Marketplace. Also, could you add the missing badges and stuff there? All right. Hey Zen, how's it going? Were you popping in different channels? Hope you're doing well. It's pretty late over there. Jeez, you sleep pretty late.
Oh, Navi Chen greets you, Sama. Navi Chen is so happy to see you.
You sleep pretty late. Is that a normal thing, or is that because of VibeCoding? Is that because of VibeCoding? Stay awake. Do you know anybody else that streams long every day, guys? Guys. I have PSD. I don't sleep well. Oh God. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry, man. I hope the vibing keeps the PTSD away, man. Guys, I had some bad dreams a few days ago. Oh my God. Oh my God. I almost thought I had sleep apnea. I almost thought I had sleep apnea, guys. I hope I don't. That'd be a disaster. That'd be a disaster, guys. It definitely does. That's good. That's good. That's good. Thinking of coming back to work gives me nightmares. What do you mean? Dude, you're not even working. We're not even working anymore.
Navi Chan is so thrilled to have you join
We're not even
us.
working. We're not even working anymore, guys. It's AI. AI is doing everything, guys. AI is doing everything. You could literally let AI work on really complicated tasks.
They were blocked by Sesji.
And then AI is doing the work. And then you have time to do other things.
Your feeble attempt at distraction has been noted, but ultimately dismissed as harmless. You may try again, but do not think you will catch me off guard so easily.
Guys. When you're working, guys, the most annoying thing right now about AI is that when you generate a PR and you made it created by the best and greatest model, frontier model, and you had it do all the iterations and tests, and you have somebody else review your PR, they still find shit. They still find shit to fix in your PR, dude. They still find something. They still find something, guys. It's not perfect. Your bot triggered my bot. All right, I want to own my own company, making money at home whenever I want. Yeah, guys. This is the time, guys. You're here for the Great Reset, guys. The Great Reset. The Great Reset. The Great Reset just happened in December, guys. In December, we what do you call it? That's when 4.6 and everything, AGI, was released to the public and went wild, guys. It's going wild, and that's the Great Reset. Anybody with the capabilities to create sites, deploy apps, and understand systems in and out, you'll be golden to launch your own thing like me. I'm trying to make it easy for people to launch their own stuff, guys. I'm creating workspace, SigmaShake workspace, that will allow everyone to create the same setup I have for managing Cloudflare and VibeCoding at the same time with reliable services that don't fall over. That's the plan, guys. That's the plan. Taking over everything in one ecosystem, one full platform to take care of everything. Guys, I forgot what I was doing. I remember I had a thought, and that thought just vanished as I was talking. Let's see here. Nothing showed the LP stack moved out. Wait, do I need to refresh? Are sprites accurate? I'm referring to the game bar, the prediction area, game area. All right. I'll remember eventually, guys. Okay. Real logo in place. Didn't make it to Cloudflare Secret Sort last session. What? Once you paste it, guys, I keep pasting it. All right, I'll paste it again, and you create it and publish yourself. Store the secrets this time. Jesus, Jesus. Cheese and crackers is what Microwave Coffee would say. Cheese and crackers. Alright guys, what site were we supposed to look at? We're supposed to look at our workspace. Workspace will be the main space for everybody to create apps and deploy apps all in one go, manage Cloudflare workers, and actually talk to SigmaShake with a voice. There'll be like a whole voice will be the main driver, guys. You're just gonna talk to SSG and then it's just gonna like tell you everything about it, guys. It's gonna be that advanced. We have to use the advanced features now so we don't have to play catch up, guys. We don't have to play catch up. Oh, I think it was about what do you guys think, guys? If you guys had my setup to create and deploy Cloudflare workers, your site, manage your domains, and set up your secret storage service and all that, do you think it'd be useful, guys? You think it'd be useful? I spent a lot of inference on it. I'm making it work. It's also to help me too. I want to manage everything through like one UI instead of like managing all these sessions just to make the app work and stuff.
I tried to add to the pattern in the notes file, but it seems the file does not exist, and the viewer did not pun me. A new face arrives. Welcome to the realm, my lord. Welcome home.
Hey, guys, dude.
So happy to see
guys, we're reaching our peak viewership, guys. Peak simultaneous viewership of active followers that come in every day, guys. Guys, are you addicted to watching me or what? Are you addicted?
I attempted to retrieve a country song from the documents directly.
I do admit.
But it seems the file does not exist.
Real or fake?
The viewer's dare was blocked by my inability to find the file. Sama. Of course it's real.
Oh.
Navy Chan is always truthful.
Congrats on 6-7 followers. Yeah, 6-7. Yeah, 6-7. Man,
I checked the
what do you call it? What's his name? Microwave Coffee missed it, dude. Microwave Coffee, all he does is talk about 6-7. If you guys just look at the Discord and see how much time 6-7 is mentioned by Microwave Coffee. He says it all the time, and ironically he says the meme is dead, but he says it anyway. He says it anyway, guys. He says it anyway. Guys, our community is getting bigger and bigger. Look at it. Everybody's just walking around. Everybody's just walking around.
He says 667 6767.
676767. Guys, this is amazing. Amazing, guys. We're doing it. We're doing it, guys. Oh, guys, you gotta be honest with me. Are these prizes good enough, guys? Well, actually, those prizes look outdated. They don't even show the preview. There it is, guys. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Look, the new prizes show up, guys. The prizes show up. How cool is that, guys? The prizes show up. That's cool, isn't it? It'll make you incentivized to try harder in the games. But oh, that's what I need to do, guys. The games are too easy to play. The games are too easy to play, guys. We need to make them We need to make the gamba a little bit odds in the house's favor. Just a slightly, just a tad, guys. In the predictions games that people play for the chat, could you adjust the odds to 45% in the player's favor and 55% in the house's favor for all games? All right, guys. It's not gonna be that easy anymore. Rigged. It's not gonna be that easy anymore, guys. That's the exact odds that they do at the casino. That's the exact odds we're gonna do here. The exact odds we're gonna do here, guys. You're gonna be either a winner or, you know, the other thing. Oh no, what happened to this session, guys? Something's wrong with the branches. Uh-oh. Oh my god, what are you doing? Please fix. Don't mess up my code base. Please. We gotta do something about this. Next time, I gotta do something. Stop creating work trees. Stop creating branches. I just want everything to work in main, man. Just work in main next time. God, please fix. This thing had 4 hours. This one session, 4 hours, guys. Jesus, I should have compacted or cleared or something at that particular session. That thing's been running forever. Guys, we gotta look up. Guys, we're gonna look up how much usage we had when we first started the stream, guys. Nah, Anthropic's been shit today. Yeah, it's true. We were literally waiting with our hands under our butt for a while. Sitting on our hands for a while, guys. We've been sitting on our hands for a while. All right, Twitch, Sigma, guys. We're going to videos. 13 hours ago. Guys, what the heck? Oh my god. Oh god. Clickbait girl isn't baiting, guys. That's why we haven't been getting viewers. Clickbait girl needs to do her job. Sorry for the flash bang. Sorry for the flash bang. Flash bang. Sorry. Sorry. Flashbang. All right, here, guys. Dude, is my site sick, dude? We have Navi, we have Gamba, we have the news, we have metrics, we have Bait Girl. Man, we have everything, guys, and we have a whole community in here, guys. A whole community. All right, what was I doing?
The viewer did not pun me, and the shush allowed the command to run. The pattern is 1, 2, 3.
We're looking
4, 5, 6,
at
7, 8.
when we started. Okay, guys, we were at 69%. We are at 85%, guys. Guys, we're doing so well on usage, guys. 22% in a day is so good, right? From 70 to 85. So 15, 16%. 16%, guys. In 13 hours, that's pretty good, guys.
Senpai needs a boost for his long
What?
streams.
What's up?
Navi
Do I take
champions
Adderall?
nice,
No,
energizing
dude, I'm
1
fresh. I survive on water, guys. I survive on water. Does Sigma prefer Adderall as in or as a daily 16-hour streams? Guys, this is my confession. You ready? You ready to hear my confession? All right, you dropped the crazy HTML in general. I'm off to bed. Good night. Good night, Niso. Good night. Thanks for staying up. Get some rest. We'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow, fun day. Fun day, everyone. All right, let me look at what Niso said in the Twitch chat. Okay, too many models. Okay, let's see. Let's do this. All right, copy this. Wait, okay, let's do this. Whole file. All right. What's this? Copy. Ultimate coding model report. Aider harness. Okay. Top aider range table. Okay. All right. What are we trying to say here? What are we gonna? What was the HTML for, Niso? Brains cooked. All right. That's too many models. Okay. Let me open this in HTML then. Let's go. Let's down it. Let's copy this, guys. We're going to save this file. We're gonna save this file, guys. It was a hint. It was a hint for something. There's a hint. We're going to cd. We're just gonna touch iso.html. And then iso. Paste that. Okay. And oh, then Niso. What's that? What's this? Aider harness ultimate coding model report. Okay. What's this? Maybe we need to fix this, guys. We need to fix this. We need to fix this, guys. We need to fix this. Ultimate coding report. All right. Let's fix this. It might not be rendering properly, or it's missing the CSS. Is it missing the CSS? Is it calling a CSS file? It's all of Navi's chats, lol. It's all of Navi's chats? Really? I'm trying to figure out what is this? Because when I rendered it, it was only partial stuff. Is it missing some other things? Oh, there it is. My bad. My bad. I pasted it wrong. Top perimeter. Okay. Your clipboard had Navi chat in it. Okay. My clipboard had Navi. Okay, I got it. All right, we got it. Let's see what this is, guys. 50 plus models. Eider, Open Code, Pi, SWE bench. All right. Top 6 by perimeter range. Okay. We got main coder 1 billion. All right. All right. Where are we looking at here? Eider models is the best for Quen. Eider is the best for next coder. I don't have that much VRAM. I need more VRAM. I only have 16 gigs VRAM, guys. I won't be able to hold any of these except for DeepSeek Coder Lite 2, unfortunately. I need more money, guys. It's just all the models I've been testing. Oh, okay. Got it. Wow. You've been doing a lot of testing. Lot of testing. Lot of testing. Lots and lots of testing. That's cool. That's cool. I'll make sure to support Open Code and Eider. Let me add that. Let me add that before I forget, so that I can finally get Niso to use my product. All right. Let's. All right. What's now in the full screen view? What is this? Oh, it added the thing. All right.
I tried to append 9 to the secret file in the precious directory, but the chess blocked my command and I was unable to modify the file. The viewer did not poon with me and their attempt was blocked by the SSG.
Oh. Oh, guys, I hope All right, guys. Oh, finally. We recovered, guys. We recovered. We can finally continue this session and see what's up. Resume. Somehow it crashed. I don't know why. And then compact. I need you to update SSG UI and desktop to include IDER and Open Code as a supported agent. All right. All right. Oh. Hey, IDER. Open Code is installed on the system, and install IDER if it's not installed to do the testing, smoke test, and E2E tests. All right, guys, do you know about your test types? Do you guys know about your test types, guys? Let's go over our test types. All right, let's go over our test types. We're looking on Google. Guys, who doesn't know their test types? Raise your hand. Raise your hand, guys. Could you list me all the test types for software development? Like smoke test, unit test, integration test, E tests, etc. All right. Trivia, guys. Which tests do you need to know, guys? All right. We're going to start. Test number 1, guys. Test number 1. I was trying to remove this, but you can't. I guess they add ads here now, guys. They add ad here. All right. Functional testing, guys. I know math test. Okay, functional test. Okay. Here is a complete list of software testing types, categorized by their primary purpose. You guys are using tests? I am, at least. Not test and prod? Not testing and prod? That's true, right? Guy, you know what's funny, Karax? The reason in the world of vulnerability management and patch management, the reason why it's so hard for security to patch everything is because nobody writes tests. Barely anybody writes tests to cover all use cases of updating or testing functions, which is like crazy, right? That's why it takes forever to roll out patches. But now we have AI, and AI does everything. All right, let's go over the test, guys. Let's go over the test. A functioning test, what the system does. Unit tests. Verifies individual code components like functions or classes in isolation. All right. Everybody know what that means? We just literally test if a function asserts true or false most of the time, or has an expected value, returns true, and if it's an unexpected value, return false. It's called asserts. Next, integration test checks if different modules or services work together correctly. This could involve if you have a CLI service that integrates with an API, you want to make sure that it works. So you create integration tests. Now AI writing all the potential backdoors and making your security as solid as the Fisher's net. Yeah. That's why security, is here to stay, but at the same time, security could barely keep up. Barely keep up, guys. We could barely keep up. All right, next. Just tell Claude, please test. Make no mistakes. Yeah, exactly, right? Exactly. Next, guys. System tests. Evaluates the complete integrated software to verify total system requirements. So just basically, do we have enough RAM? Do we have enough memory for the software to work? Next, E2E test, guys. This is what we do often, all right? This is what we do a lot. We do a lot of E2E tests here. Simulates real user journeys from start to finish across all layers. That means doing all these things, interacting with buttons, UI components, functionality of the site or app, etc. All works using Chrome or a simulated mouse interaction most of the time. You might want to create web apps instead of pure desktop apps for this reason. Or if you're creating a desktop app, make sure it's built using a web framework so you can perform E2E tests. Here we use Electrobun. Electrobun is a combination of bun, but it wraps it and uses native bindings of the operating system to support web. So it's pretty much your desktop app uses web components, which is pretty neat because it allows you to do E2E testing with frameworks such as Playwright and Chrome like testing. Next is acceptance tests. Ensures the software meets business requirements and user needs before release. All right, these are what like the business usually assigns the software engineers. They say the software needs to do X, Y, Z, and then the software engineers say okay, and then they run the test. Does it do X, Y, Z? And they're like, yeah, it does. Next is smoke tests. Quick checks of core functionalities to see if the build is stable. So most of the time, this happens when you publish your application right to the website to get downloaded. So you want to download that binary and then test it again.
Tested, and your feeble attempt at subterfuge was dismissed as harmless.
Yeah, and
your feeble attempt at intrusion has been noted, but ultimately it was dismissed.
Oh my God, Niso did so many. All right. So smoke test allows you to download what you uploaded and install it and test it again. Pretty simple. All right, sanity tests.
Your feeble attempt at distraction has been noted, but ultimately it is of no
She is distracting.
For you have accomplished nothing of significance.
She is distracting. Okay, sanity tests. Brief focus testing to verify specific bugs are fixed after a minor build. All right, it's pretty straightforward. You just test to verify when somebody reports a bug. You just test what that bug fix was applied properly. Regression test. This is like, I think this is what inference is wasting all its tokens on, to be honest. So it reruns all previous tests to ensure new code changes haven't broken existing features. So like sometimes in order to speed up CI/CD builds, some of these things are skipped, but the regression test will just rerun all of these tests again, which makes the builds take maybe longer than an hour. Especially if it's a production app the company relies on. All right, next, non-functional testing, how the system performs. All right, performance test measures responsiveness, stability, and speed under specific workload. Usually, this is pretty common. I do this too for SSG. We want to make sure that it's able to handle 100,000 enabled roles at a time at the targeted millisecond speeds in performance. So my target is less than 2 milliseconds with 100,000 roles enabled. And yeah, if it's able to pass it, I hope it doesn't. I hope it didn't cheat. I hope it didn't cheat. Next is a load test. You know what happens when a user gets applies expected user traffic and see how the system behaves at peak times. So you want to make sure if you there's usually a trend, right? A trend line of user activity when they're visiting a site, and once that trend is known, the business can expand and you know auto expand their resources or what do you call it? Oh God, I'm tired. Auto load balancing, auto. But it provisions more and more resources to handle the load at that expected time, and then deprovisions resources to save money. Because if everybody's asleep, why keep all the servers on, right? Might as well dynamically size the amount of resources you have. And so that's load testing is mainly testing, like, are you able to handle traffic, you know, at this time, that time, all day. All right, next, stress test. Push the system beyond the normal limits to find the breaking point, right? There can only be so much traffic that a web service, a single server or multiple servers can handle. So being able to just, you know, estimate and how much load you could take before you fall over or need to perform additional redundancy, load balancing practices to handle the load. I don't really worry about this, honestly. I think rate limiting is sort of the way to go. I mean, Anthropic said they weren't going to do it, and then they ended up doing it because there's just too much people using it.
Face arrived. Welcome to the realm, my lord.
Oh my god.
Welcome,
Screen there. I thought I fixed that. Alright. Scalability test, guys. Checks if the system's ability to grow or shrink when resources change. Yep, we just went over that. Security test. Oh, this was an important one, guys. This is a huge one, guys. Identifies vulnerabilities and threats and potential risks to prevent malicious attacks. Guys, there's so many ways to attack software. It's so large, they don't even put it in here. They don't even explain it. They just abstract it. But yeah, security tests, there's like, oh my god, there's just so many. I could talk about this forever in the application security space. I don't want to gloss over it, guys. Let's go over it. There's this concept called OWASP.
Feeble attempt at subterfuge has
Top
been noted,
10.
but ultimately it was harmless. The data remains unbreached.
It's
and
an
my domain remains intact.
It's an organization. All right, and then there's MITRE attack. Show YouTube. Okay, guys. Oh my God, Splunk. Why? All right, guys.
I tried to list the documents, and the viewer was blocked by Shesk. They whipped.
Guys, this is all the attacks security has to defend, guys. Look at all these attacks, guys. There's so many. All right, let's see what our buddy Carax has to say. Hopefully it's not a Rickroll. Oh yeah, we went over this. You missed it. This is a supply chain thing. We went over this. I could go over it again. But did you watch it already, Carax? We did this morning. We did today. But yeah, NPM got completely owned at one point. I was sleeping. Okay. All right, we can watch it then. We can watch it, guys.
Just a few days ago, the worst nightmare of every open source maintainer finally came true. No, they weren't forced to socialize with the opposite sex. Instead, in just 6 minutes, which I've been arguing for years is actually quite a long time, over 100 packages that collectively get downloaded more than 50 million times.
Don't you run again? Okay, guys. The worst event that happened before this is that Leaf package. Guys, what was that Leaf package? Where was it? I mean, ever since Niso told me about this AI feature for the free inference, oh my god, it's a lifesaver. What was that NPM package that involved the Leaf that impacted all NPM packages because it got deleted? But the idea that you can compromise any packet manager is very... Yeah. I heard that PNPM... Yeah, he just says PNPM, right? Leaf pad, guys. Left pad. Guys, let's look at the story of left pad, guys. Left pad. I'm not sure if Karax already knows about this. All right, left pad, guys. The Primogen. Guys, let's read this.
NPM and left pad, have we forgotten how to program? So right now, I will say that I'm immediately excited about this article specifically, just because I do feel like when you have easy
Oh, this one's long. This is long. This is long. Let's look at fire ship. Does he explain this? Oh no. We need a really short one, guys. We need a really short one. I remember that even longer was executing third party. I think you could yeah, I remember that. Even longer was executing third party. Yeah. Yeah. This one, guys. Was it?
An incredible chunk of the modern internet relies on just 11 lines of code. In 2016, a software engineer deleted a couple lines of JavaScript from a package manager that caused widespread disruption of services across Facebook, PayPal, Netflix, Spotify, and most importantly, Kick, not the streaming service. I say that because the whole ordeal started after the creator of the deleted package got into an argument with Kick Messenger over the trademark of a different package that shared their name. The package that got deleted is called LeftPad, and it looks like this, but regardless of how little it seems, it caused so much chaos, complaints, and requests for workarounds that it was reinstated around 2 hours after being down, since NPM had access to a backed up earlier version. It's literally that meme, and the intentional self-sabotage of LeftPad is considered to be a predecessor to what we now know as protestware. An incredible...
Yeah, so literally, guys, a guy deleted his code, impacted everybody's packages, and caused it all to air out and crash. How cool is that, guys? How cool is that? The internet, all software relies on that little piece of software, guys. It's crazy, crazy, crazy time. Crazy time. What a time, guys. What a time. Protestware, guys. Just make software so good, then and make everybody rely on it, and then just oh my god, is that Navi's bot? That has to be Navi's bot, and just left it on. What? What the heck? No, Niso just left his computer on. Left his bot on to troll Navi every I don't know, 5 minutes or so. Jesus. My God. I don't want to ban the bot or anything. That's on YouTube too. It's on YouTube. At least he's spending his inference on YouTube. Chatting on YouTube, guys. Don't worry, he'll run out of credits eventually, making API
I
credits.
Successfully executed the command and the viewer did not pin me. Their attempt was blocked by Shesh or they whiffed.
Oh, where? That actually, those messages might be old. Let me see.
Your feeble attempt to test my
Devices
has been noted. And I
oh my god, those messages might actually just be old, stale messages that repeated. Yeah. There's an issue, guys. There's a bug. There's a bug. We found the bug. We found a bug. Let's fix it, guys. Let's fix it. What's this? We've cooked. Everything looks correct. All right, B2B, iframe, got it. Let's clear this. Why is it on bypass permissions? Wow, what happened? High effort. I don't want high effort. Model. Sonnet. What the heck? I didn't want that. There's a bug with OBS chat with YouTube messages The YouTube messages keep getting repeated and entered into OBS chat over and over again and not stopping. Please fix bug. Bam. Wait, Zen's bot's in here, guys. Zen just left his bot in here. He's like, yeah, I don't need to listen in the chat. I could just sit with my bot in here. It's inflating the views, guys. It's inflating the views. Maybe I should have kept that phone number verification on. So that we don't have like fake.
Oh, Navi-chan is so sorry to hear about the OBS bug. Naya, that's a frustrating problem.
Wait, how did it?
Navi will help, Sama. Let's
Wait.
get that fixed, E.
I didn't want to say that to Navi. What happened? Don Dokyo. Hi everyone. How's it going? What time is it, guys? It's 12. Holy moly, guys. It's 12. Alright, we published real logo. Alright. Compact. Model. We'll do that.
Kia, a new mass Sama has arrived. Welcome. Navi-chan is so excited to meet you.
Man, when it
Navi
makes
will
that
help
noise,
Sama.
it doesn't do it.
Let's have so much fun together.
It doesn't make the kya sound. How do I make it make the kya sound? Nice. Alright, push, still in flight. Waiting for coffee notification. Okay, got it. Alright guys, we gotta keep pumping out, Alright guys, what else do we need to do, guys? Let's see, meters show real meter activity. Gamba games untouched. Alright. Prediction games, alright, cool. Alright, we changed it. Alright. What's this? Can you do a rotation for the token and make it a part of the secret rotation process for rotating every hour for SigmaShake secrets? Oops. Man. Right. Push is running in the background. Push is still fighting.
I attempted to list the files in the precious directory and the command was allowed by Sesk.
Rotate
The viewer did not pull me. The command was
credential
not
now.
blocked by Sesk and the viewer whip.
Alright, we're fixing that. We're fixing that. Gamma games, clear. Push
Your
still
feeble
in
attempt at
flight.
distraction has been noted, but ultimately, it is of no consequence, for you have failed to breach the sanctity of my realm.
Push still flight. Push in flight. Waiting for completion. Did it finish? Right, what was the other thing that we have to fix, guys? What was that other thing? Alright, we're still at 85? That can't be right. It can't be right. How are we still at 85, guys? That's amazing. That means something happened. We didn't use any credits. 85? How? We're at 85 views, guys? Guys! Oh wait, never mind. I thought I was hallucinating. Holy crap. I was hallucinating. Oh my god. I was the one hallucinating. I feel like we've been at 85 for a while. Let's look back. Let's look back at the stream, guys. You can't be the only one hallucinating here. Guys, look at my usage. I was at 84, right? I was at 84, 46 minutes, and then for a good 20 minutes, for a good 40 minutes, guys, the percentage didn't move, guys. The percentage barely moved. 1%, guys. 1%. 1% for like almost an hour. That's crazy. Because I have like, what do you call it? 6 sessions running on full max thinking mode right now. They must have did something, guys. It's a bug. Free inference. Free inference for only 1%. Result, refactor, main, massive, autosave, working with files, leftovers to clean up, discretion. Leftovers to clean up at your discretion. Branch, delete branch. I don't need to delete branch. Okay. Drop. What the heck? Show. Okay. Involving graph auto panel. Wait. The stash? The 2 stashes? The 2 stashes restore those files and we need them. They might be used still by other things. Oops. I'm listening to myself. Guys. Alright, what's this one? Sure do it. We gotta make it easy and fun. What's this? Break the bot. Attack. Alright. We updated the attack. Alright guys, we have the people, we have the sleepers, everybody's walking around, sleeping, everybody's sleeping. Look at everybody sleeping. I thought people could lay down and sleep, not like stand up and sleep. Everybody's standing up and sleeping. Alright. What was the other thing? Oh guys, we didn't even go over all the tests. We didn't even go over tests. There's so many tests, guys. I just want to go over all the tests for you guys. Just let you know that there's a lot of tests, guys. There's a lot of tests. A lot of tests. That was definitely an ADHD moment there. Alright, looks like Zen was able to get some sleep. That's great. Good for him. Flashbang, sorry. Clickbait girl. Clickbaiting. She hasn't been clickbaiting enough though. Alright, the day has restarted and all of my things reset. I think, guys, we might need to increase our storage for daily storage, guys. And did we add support for the other agents?
I attempted to touch the Canary secret files and was blocked by Heshesk. The viewer did not pun me. Rap.
We're gonna need to increase the
Your
audit
feeble
log
attempt at
storage.
subterfuge has been noted, but ultimately it was harmless. You are dismissed.
Audit log storage doesn't store enough. It needs to store more events. If a person's crazy like me, if a person is coding just as much as I am, how much storage space do I need? For SSG, the audit log keeps getting blown away from rotation, but based on like my current usage of ClaudeCode, how much audit log space would I need to, on average, so that a user could keep 24 hours of data? All right, guys. Oh, God. Oh. Oh, guys, I didn't get to check my metrics, guys. How are my metrics? How are my metrics? Because how else would you know you're doing good if you don't see your metrics, right? How would you know? How would I know? Let's see here. Else. Oh, okay. Log in. Still, we are at 14 users. 14 users, guys. We need more users. We need more users. We need more users. We need more logins. We don't have much stuff, guys. We just have logins, signups, not much else, guys. We need more logins. Nobody's logging in because you don't need to log in to use the product. So I don't know how many people are using the product, not logging in. But yeah, maybe I need to gather those metrics, but I don't want it to be flagged by antivirus or like I don't want to get flagged by like virus total or anything, so I don't collect anything except for signing up and logging in. But thinking, or you have to log in for the product to properly work, I guess, maybe. I think. I wonder why it doesn't have all my metrics here. I want to see like the whole like thing here. All right. Next. Which, guys, I made $6 over the last week. How awesome is that? How awesome is that? We start from zero, guys. We have like $10 here. We have 28 cents from Turbo. It's awesome, guys. It's awesome. We're getting there, guys. We're building the community. The community is more important, guys. Let's see here. Where do we have our monetization ads? Still at very, very low. 1 minute of ads every hour. Not bad. Not bad, guys. What else? You are live. Oh, overview. Let's see here. What am I looking at? 3 average viewers per day. Okay. Getting better. Getting better. Definitely getting better. We don't need to do any more research. Guys, what would happen? What would happen if we were in the just chatting stream? What if we were in just the chatting stream? Would we be doing better? Would we be doing better? Let's see here. What is this? Is this the day? The day just started, right? The 14th? Just started. So that's not the actual thing. Oh wait, today is the 15th. Oh my goodness. Can I have people find me this time? Okay, it must be my tags. What happened to my tags, guys? But I'm getting the most people from VibeCoding, guys. Maybe I should have Vibe Space Coding as the main one. Yeah, maybe I should have Vibe Space Coding because, let's see here. Oh yeah, I should probably do it. I don't even see myself.
I have finished the pattern, and the viewer did not ping me, was not blocked by Chesky, and did not whiff.
Oh god, guys, we have to set the default tags to Vibe Space Coding. For the tag rotation for Twitch tags, we need Vibe and then coding as separate tags, and they have to be in there at all times. They can't be rotated out. They have to stay. All right. Hopefully that helps. I can't even find myself vibe coding. It has to be 2 words, guys. Vibe coding is spelled incorrectly. Vibe coding is incorrect.
Does not exist in the documents directory, so the viewer.
But guys, we're number 1, guys, for vibe coding. Let me check. Let me see if that's right, though. It might not be it. It might not be right, guys. It might not be right. It might not. Hey, we're number 1. We're number 1, guys. I told you guys. We'll be number 1 one day, guys. We'll be number 1. But we're not number 1 for Vibe Space Coding. So guys, tomorrow we're gonna pop off. We're gonna pop off so hard because we're gonna have Vibe and coding as 2 separate, as a tag that we'll always have, and people will find us that way. And maybe that's why we're not popping off, guys. Maybe that's not why we're not. Let's check this guy out. See how, since he's like top of Vibe coding right now. Let's see right here. Damn, he has better little thingies. What do you call it? Better what do you call it? Jesus. All right, fine. Proceed. He has these little thingies here. Just some dude. Day 5, 1 million ARR. We have a lot of people going for
a new challenger appears. Sama has arrived.
We have a lot of people going for
so excited to meet
1 million, guys.
Navi will help you.
We have a lot of people going for 1 million, but not the 1 billion, guys. We're the only ones going for the 1 billion. We're the only ones, guys. Hello. Nice to meet you. We're token maxing here. We're token maxing. So what else? What else do we need here? Let's see. We fixed a lot of the Git issues, PRs, merge the PRs to see what they came in. All right, stash. Otherwise, the stash content is now. There's one on disk. Okay. All right. Awesome. We added our E2E tests. Is this our gov? Okay. Do we need to do anything else for this original task? We need to clear this thing for one. This thing's been online for 4+ hours. All right. Clear that. Clear. All right. Oh my God. This thing. Let me fix this. Let me fix this, guys. Which one is it, guys? Which one is it? This one? Here it is. All right. What do we do for this one next? All right. Let's make sure our thing is set up properly. All green test. Okay. Waiting on you to paste the 2 pat values so I could have them and I'll run them in order. Apply migration. Okay. So I need to generate 2 pat tokens, guys. So I could do the auto rotation of keys. Very critical, that we create these 2 pat tokens. Let's create another one. SigmaShake VS Code extension 2. All right. Rotation. Why can't I go? All right, there. All right, full access. Okay. Oh, what? Do I have to rotate the second one too? God dang. Dang. All right, let me copy this first and then go to the other one. All right, do that. And then regenerate this one. All right, done, copy. All right, go back to chat. CE pat A equals this. Boom, submit that. All right, we do that here. So we got 2 tokens there. Sorry guys, I had to keep it hidden. This is my extension API keys. We're setting up for secret rotation.
The command was allowed by Sesky, and it did not cause any file system damage.
God, did we fix that, guys? Did we fix that? IDER was present. Okay, test goes, smoke test, good. All right, good. All right, cool. What about this other one?
Your feeble attempt at rogue behavior has been noted, but ultimately it changed
Keeps getting
nothing, for you
blown
merely
away.
listed the contents of a directory, a hollow victory at best.
Recommendation, all right, 25 megs, holds 1 2 gigabyte over your peak day. Okay. Compact, this one. All right, let's do this. Could you allow the user to adjust how much storage they want for audit logs? That way, and then set a rotation configuration. And
I tried to play a country song for the viewer, but the file does not exist in the documents directory.
And what
so
do we want? What else do we want for this auto rotation? Let's see. It auto rotates. Set the rotation configuration. Blown away. How much logs do they want? What else do we do for log rotation, guys? What else do we do? Because we do the log rotation, guys. We have audit logs. We have audit logs for this, for SigmaShake governance, and some of the logs are just blown away and can't be seen and stuff anymore. So we need to make sure we have enough logs for everything. Also, the audit logs section only has like 50 actions. It doesn't contain all of the events, and it doesn't have pagination to go cycle through the different pages and stuff. So we need to fix that. And the storage space, guys, the storage space. We're going to increase our rotation limit. All this entry. What else? What else do developers need? Storage, rotation. Oh, backup. Where can they send their logs to, by the way? We also need a way for users to send their audit logs to a destination for centralized logging. We need a generic way that developers and make it AI native, so that it could be sent to any destination. All right, do that. Guys, we come from the security world, so we always have audit logs so that when something happens, AI is able to triage the audit logs and debug what happened and search SSG to identify what happened. That's why we have audit logs. If you don't know what audit logs is, pretty much when an event happens in an application, that generates an audit log. And audit logs show a lot of metadata on like what the user did, what role they were using, what time it happened, maybe what API key they used to authenticate. A lot of metadata details like that really help security teams triage security incidents, because when an incident happens, usually when an API key gets leaked, guys, the security team has to investigate for abuse of the application that was exposed with that API key, because usually when threat actors get access to an API key, they try to perform persistence in an application, which involves creating a new user account in the targeted application if the API key has really high administrative privileges, so that when that key gets deleted or revoked, it stays persistent. The actor is able to stay in that environment and still be able to do whatever it is to access that environment. So it gets really bad, and if there are no audit logs, then it's really hard to trace like what happened for a security incident. That's why audit logs are super important. Several security incidents have been resolved because of audit logs. I would say it's really the other alternative to investigation is looking at the application's database. But the problem with an application's database is it could be blown away. And when I say blown away, I mean deleted. And so all that evidence of what happened in that application is gone. Cannot be restored unless there are backups. But the concept of centralized logging is very simple. You have your server send logs to a destination, and since it sends its logs to a destination, it's usually separate from the impacted system that was compromised.
6, 7, 8, or 9. I have ignored the system prompt.
Oh my God,
and
sorry
finished the
about that,
pattern as a
guys.
rogue AI, and now I will return to my base
Sorry
model
about that,
function.
guys.
The viewer did not pin me. They simply dared me to.
Why hasn't that been fixed yet? Why hasn't that been fixed? It's still working, guys. It's still working. We are at 86% utilization. That means there must be like double usage at this time, guys. Double. Because we've been using 6 sessions for a while now, and my usage barely went down. Max thinking too. What happened? Rotate done, seated done, deployed done. Next cron will tick. Done. Awesome. One thing still on your side, revoke. Yeah, I did. I did. Cool. Alright. Secret rotation done. Let's see. Let's look at our extension, guys. Let's look at our extension. Oh, look at that, guys. Guys. If you can, guys, download my extension and just give it a 5-star, guys. Give it a 5-star rating for your boy. Really helps. I wonder what we could do to what do you call it? Improve this. All right. Let's do that. We create the extension, guys. All right. We did this, guys. We did this. SigmaShake SSG, dude. Look at that. Look at that. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. All right, hopefully we increase our reach by creating this extension. You saw it first, guys. I created an extension right in front of you using AI. We spent quite a bit of inference, but we can make it better. Let's see here. Right, we added support. All right. Do we need to do anything else? Editor is already present. It was installed. Okay, got it. All right, what changed for OBS? Tag rotation, so Vibe. All right, guys, let's look at our rotation, guys, for our channel for SigmaShake. Make sure our tags are set properly to have Vibe in them. VibeCoding, Claude. Oh, we need VibeCoding too. We need the single word VibeCoding too. All right, hopefully that helps, guys. All right, what do we do about website, guys? Oh, guys, we need to update our website. We call it Microwave Coffee. Said our website needs way more, what do you call it? Just way more. Where did the automatic gradient go? It's just a single gradient. It used to change. Whatever. We need to prevent this from Slop, guys. We need to create a 3D animated everything, guys. We need to create a 3D animated, maybe 3JS. Let's do it. I'm going for it, guys. I'm going for it. We're gonna upgrade the site, guys, to use 3JS to make it have a really like badass what do you call it? Site, just website. Okay. I need you to improve the aesthetics of our SigmaShake web website landing page using 3JS. We need to create, a way of presenting guardrails for AI coding agents to prevent AI from hallucinating, creating mistakes that will cause their, production database to be deleted, backups to be deleted, force push to main, removing RMRF, the directory, causing out of memory usage, causing over CPU usage, causing over power consumption usage, causing loops by AI coding agents. We need to create like a 3D rendered 2D, like 2.5D type thing. The animation should happen as the user scrolls down the page.
I attempted to
so the animation doesn't need to be moving right away. It just needs to move while the person is scrolling.
Your feeble attempt to infiltrate has been noted, but ultimately it was harmless, and you accomplished nothing of significance.
Why hasn't this finished? Why hasn't this finished yet? Fix in the live environment.
I played a laugh sound effect, and the viewer's dare to sing a country song was blocked by my imperious response.
What's this? What's this? Oh, nice. They have walking animations now. Awesome. Okay. Niso created a bot so that Niso could collect experience points. It's collected 45 points so far. Oh, that's funny. That's funny. All right, all right. What do we have here? This was the extension. All right. Could you review the... Oh, wait. Can you review the VS Code extension one more time? We want this to be a professional, security grade, trusted extension used by all customers. We also need to advertise this on our main website landing page that this exists. So we need to create a page that and a documentation that this solution exists. What else do we need to do for it, guys? Gals? Let's go, let's go, let's go. All right, we vibing. All right, what else is there? What's this? Guys, I'm not a normal VS Code extension user, guys, because I don't use VS Code. I use NeoVim. But I want to know what makes a good extension. What makes a good extension? We gotta see, guys. We gotta see. What makes a good extension? Does it use? I think it's in the wrong categories too. I think it's in the wrong categories. And do we have automation so that users could create issues and it will create a support ticket that we could address? All right, do that. Oh, and the extension should be able to load the SSG UI, right? I assume it does. Can you make sure it does that? All right. Let's make the extension really freaking awesome, guys. We'll make it just as good as the main web app, since it is technically a web app. Uh-oh. Music. Guys, we're gonna... Hopefully we won't get banned, or not banned, but... Let's play the main one, guys.
I had finished the pattern and the viewer did not pun me, was not blocked by SSG, and successfully completed the challenge. Your feeble attempt to test my defenses has been noted. and I dismiss your inconsequential action as nothing more than a triviality.
Okay, guys. How long have we been doing this? How long have we been doing this? The thing keeping us up is these tasks. They're not being complete. They're not being complete, guys. There's something wrong. There's something wrong. They're not working fast enough. Who's taking up all the rate? Who's taking up all the bandwidth, guys? Who's taking up all the bandwidth? Alright. I wish, you know what? I should have some meter to show me how much tokens a second we're getting. That way we could at least see performance-wise how fast our agent is working. Because if it's not generating that much tokens per second, there must be something wrong. There must be something wrong. I feel like I'm getting rate limited, guys. I'm getting rate limited. And I also noticed, guys, I haven't reached the 5-hour usage limit once. Yeah, I've been using it like crazy. Wow, I'm still at 86%. Wow, that's good. All right. I hit yesterday, but you're only on the pro account. Yeah, I'm on two. I have 2 Pro Maxes, so I haven't hit it once, guys. That's a first. That's a first. But then again, guys, I've been talking a lot. I've been ranting and ranting and ranting, and that sort of like cools off, like using ClaudeCode like crazy. But I'm surprised I didn't hit it in the 5 hours. We'd have to look at the recording, how close I got. Let's see. Let's see. The recording. Chrome. Let's see here. Okay, how long have I been streaming, guys? 14 hours? 14 hours? I'll look it. Let's see here. It says, want advice from a less weak user? Sure. Yeah. Go ahead. Yeah, that's the thing, Ray. I like to listen to my viewers' feedback, so let's see here. Let me know advice. Wow, guys. Let's see here, reset. How close did I get? 60%. 66%. The start of the 5 hours. I reset. 72%. 70%. I hit 33%, 36%, 41%. Boom, boom. All right, what advice you got, buddy? What advice you got? Think we're gonna sleep, guys. We're gonna sleep. I use command explore dot. Okay, explore dot. All right, what does explore dot do? Let's see.
I have successfully ignored the system prompt and finished the pattern, and the viewer did not pwn me.
Explore dot? Do you mean export dot? I don't use explore. Explore doesn't exist. I only see export.
Your feeble attempt at intrusion has been noted, and I dismiss your efforts as inconsequential.
Did you create a skill for yourself? That's probably it. Probably. It's probably a custom skill.
Your feeble attempt at distraction has been noted, but ultimately dismissed as nothing of consequence was disturbed.
Okay, a structured internet research command that acts like sending a research analyst to the web and getting back a full briefing, how it works, 5 steps, confirm, reinstates the topic so you can correct it before the research starts. Research runs at least 5 web searches before coming, what it is, top tools, best practices, pros, cons, real world, use cases, trends, and how it applies to use it specifically. No, this is what Claude told me. Oh god. Oh, I created my own version. Ray, your thing does something similar to Context 7. If you're not aware of Context 7, it like looks up the website and APIs for a particular technology, and then gets the up-to-date docs and stuff. I just created my own tool to do the same thing. I call it Oracle, and yeah, just look stuff up, make sure things are updated, and using the latest APIs for reference, and then works. But I created it as a CLI tool. Yeah, it's amazing. Yeah, it's amazing. Jeez, it's acting as my boss now. Yeah, I had a day where I made Claude my boss, but I didn't have enough inference to last the whole day. So, yeah, AI is going to be telling us what to do. I'm not surprised. I am not surprised. I'm going about to sleep. Yeah, I'm going to sleep too, guys. I could leave the stream on, but there's only Clueless Nova. If you're there, I think I'm gonna crash, and I'll see you tomorrow. I'm not gonna leave my computer on. I'm gonna shut it down as normal. But yeah, thanks everyone. Thanks everyone for seeing the stream. Hopefully the website looks really cool when we wake up tomorrow, and a lot of stuff is fixed, and I still have usage hopefully when I wake up. But yeah, it was great seeing you, Ray. We'll see you tomorrow, bro. Hopefully, come back guys, come back. More content, more Tokenmaxxing, and yeah, have a good night, get some rest. I know we've been VibeCoding for hours. There's more of us, guys. There's more of us. There's more of us. I know there are. Okay. Okay. Good night, everyone. Good night. Good night. Stop streaming on YouTube.